And now for Destiny Metals again, we're going to talk about top grinding saw blades. As you can see, we got a 26-inch blade, trim saw blade. Probably one of the bigger blades that we do. Primarily we do 60 to 80 teeth in these. And as you can see, this is a left, right, left, right, left, right configuration. 20-degree bevel going this way and 20-degree going this way. So it's left, right, left 20, right 20. And then the back angle is about this way, is about 15 degrees, 12 to 15 in that range. And this saw is meant to like cut big square cants to length. And that's that. And sometimes you get different wheels. And this is a high grit wheel for grinding real heavy saws like this, and you can get a real fine grit wheel to do like more of your smaller blades, like your primary table saw, 10-inch table saws and stuff like that. But I'm going to show you how this grinder works today. This is a Vollmer top grinder, one of the top of the line grinders in its day. Back in '99, it was probably the best you could buy. Alright, we're going to start it up, see what we can do. Alright, let's see. There we go. Back and forth. Yeah, the sharpening was uneven last time, wasn't it?